When is the right time to tell her that you love her? The strategic timing of emotional vulnerability. Determining your current phase. To answer this question, we must look at where your relationship currently stands within the traffic light relationship framework. Saying I love you is a heavy emotional weight, and if dropped at the wrong time, it can either build an unbreakable bond or create overwhelming pressure. If you're in the green light phase, do not say it yet. In this phase, your goal is curiosity and mystery. You want her to wonder how you feel. If you reveal your deep love too early while you are still just building attraction, you remove the unpredictability that keeps her interested. You risk becoming too certain, which kills the urge for her to chase you. If you are in the yellow light phase, this is the appropriate window. This phase is dedicated to building emotional connection and wayfinding through personal stories and active listening. You should only say, I love you, once you have established a level of emotional investment, where she is already showing signs of being able to see you as a person, not just a source of fun or mystery. If you are in the red light phase, avoid it if possible. If she is in a soft, hard, or blackout phase, saying I love you often feels like chasing. If she is pulling away and you drop a heavy I love you, it can feel like you are trying to force a connection that isn't currently being reciprocated, which may cause her to pull away even further. Step guide to the perfect moment. Follow these steps to ensure your declaration of love builds connection rather than pressure. First, assess her investment level. Does she ask you questions? Does she share personal stories or show vulnerability? Is there a sense of emotional openness? Second, wait for a peak emotional moment. Don't say it out of nowhere during a routine conversation. Wait for a moment where you are both feeling a deep sense of connection or shared laughter. Third, apply the strategic pullback. Once you have expressed your feelings, do not immediately follow up with more heavy emotional declarations. Pull back slightly. Delay your replies or focus on your own activities for a short period. This allows her to feel the weight of your words and gives her the space to realize she misses that feeling, prompting her to move toward you. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is saying I love you as a way to fix a lack of connection rather than a celebration of it. Many people use the declaration of love when they feel the person slipping away or when they feel insecure. If she's pulling away and you say I love you to try and pull her back, you are acting out of neediness. This creates pressure, not attraction. You should only say it when a foundation of mutual respect and interest has already been built in the yellow light phase. Personal advice and golden rules. My personal advice, don't let your words outrun your actions. If you tell her you love her, your ability to remain calm, confident, and able to give space, even if she doesn't say it back immediately, is what actually proves that love. A man who says, I love you, but then becomes clingy or desperate if it isn't immediately reciprocated, loses his emotional stability. The simple rule: connection before confession. Build the bond before you name the feeling. The key truth: silence is a powerful way to communicate love. Sometimes showing her you care through your presence and your ability to respect her space communicates love more effectively than the actual words. The golden formula for emotional safety: high investment plus high connection minus excessive pressure equals deepening attachment.